Hello, my name is Paul Arce, and today we're going to talk about plants' life. Remember that plants are living things, and today we will learn many things about their life. Plants grow in different places. As you can see in the pictures, you see plants in many places. Plants react to their surroundings. That means that they adapt themselves. For example, many kinds of plants, such as trees, bushes, and white flowers, grow in the woods. In the woods, plants have enough water and sunlight. You can see their leaves and colors because of this characteristic. Do you think they would look the same if they lived in a desert? Think about it. Of course not. These plants could not live in a desert, and if they did, they would need to adapt to it. The desert is a dry place. It doesn't rain much there. That's why in the desert you see fewer plants than in woods. Desert plants have thick or fat leaves and stems because they store water inside. Whenever they need water, they will use it. These plants would not be able to live in the woods. Too much rain will kill them. Another important characteristic of plants is that they make their own food. They need water, soil, air, and light to make their own food. But plants can also be in danger, so they need to keep safe. Can they run when they have a problem? Of course not. So they have different ways to keep safe. Some plants smell bad or have poison oil that hurts the skin of animals and people when they're going to be hurt. The trunk of trees is covered with a hard bark. The hard bark of the tree is also another way to protect the sap inside of it. The cactus have spines to protect them against animals. These beautiful roses have thorns to protect them too. Finally, some plants have hair that makes it hard for bugs and insects to take a bite. And how do plants reproduce? Most of the plants make seeds that grow into new plants. Sometimes these seeds need space or room to grow because the bigger plants block the light of the sun and use lots of water and soil, and the seeds don't have enough to grow and live. That's why seeds need to move away far from other plants. Seeds are moved by the wind or when animals carry them. What do seeds need to reproduce? Seeds need a warm place and water to grow. Now, let's remember the most important aspects about plants. Plants live in many different places. Remember the woods and the desert? Plants adapt themselves to the place where they live. That is why wood plants have thinner stems than desert plants. Plants make their own food. What do they need for that? They need water, air, soil, and light to make it. Plants defend themselves from dangerous situations. They have thorns, spines, special smells, and other ways to do it. Finally, remember that plants reproduce by seeds. Seeds can be moved by animals, the wind, or even by people. Plants help people by giving us food, oxygen, and also by beautifying our environment. Let's take care of them. See you in our next class.